Now, let's talk about ABAP on cloud. Recently, SAP started working on an advanced version of ABAP that could run on SAP Cloud Solution. They call this internal project Steampunk. The main purpose of Steampunk was to develop an advanced form of ABAP that has extended features compared to old ABAP. ABAP on cloud is based on the RESTful programming model. It contains features like ABAP managed database procedures, core data services hierarchies, SQL windowing features that is aggregating without grouping and graph capabilities. And now ABAP on cloud supports HANA spatial data type, DAC float data type, and several date and time specific types. The source code of ABAP application can also be stored on GitHub. ABAP on cloud is closely related to S/4HANA Cloud Solution. The main purpose of ABAP on cloud was to make it easy to develop solution for S/4HANA Cloud. The ABAP on cloud is updated quarterly, therefore it contains features that on-premise ABAP does not. This makes it an ideal to develop innovative market-ready applications for S/4HANA system. ABAP on cloud is available as a platform as a service on SAP Cloud Platform. You can install an instance of ABAP on cloud inside your Cloud Foundry environment, and then using the Eclipse, you can connect to it. In the next videos, we will see how to configure our own ABAP on cloud inside SAP Cloud Foundry environment. So get ready.